Meaning of freakishly.
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 Freakishly. Freakishly is an adverb that means extremely or unusually, often in a negative sense. When something is described as freakishly, it implies that it is beyond what is considered normal or expected. For example, if someone has freakishly long arms, it means their arms are abnormally long. It can also be used to describe events or situations that are bizarre or strange, such as a freakishly powerful storm. In conclusion, when something is referred to as freakishly, it suggests that it is abnormal, unusual, or even alarming in its extreme nature.